Welcome to V4 World, your ultimate source for breaking business news, financial insights, and global economic updates. Today, we dive into the latest financial landscape, covering foreign investments in Pakistan's Treasury bills and their impact, Pakistan's inflation rate, why it's at a record low, and what's next, Iran's currency crisis and its global implications, Pakistan's new $1.3 billion IMF deal and how it affects economic stability, Reko Diq's $60 billion copper-gold project, a game-changer for Pakistan's economy, stock market boom. What's fueling investor confidence? Stay ahead with real-time market trends, investment opportunities, and expert analysis, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. Subscribe now and turn knowledge into profit. Foreign investors inject over $1 billion in Pakistan's T-bills despite declining returns. Foreign investors have funneled more than $1 billion into Pakistan's Treasury bills, T-bills, during the first 8 months of FY25, even as returns continue to decline. However, 84% of these funds exited the country within the same period, as per data released by the State Bank of Pakistan, SBP. The UK and UAE emerged as the primary contributors, with overseas Pakistanis capitalizing on the comparatively higher returns of Pakistan's short-term T-bills. Despite a declining trend, T-bills attracted $1.147 billion between July and February FY25. While short-term T-bills remained attractive, long-term Pakistan investment bonds, PIBs, witnessed lower demand. Financial analysts predict that despite falling yields, short-tenor T-bills will continue to attract foreign investors due to their competitive returns compared to developed economies. Inflation hits record low before expected rise in April 2025. However, inflation is expected to rise to 2.3% in April 2025. The Monetary Policy Committee, MPC, has maintained the policy rate at 12% following a 1,000 bps per second rate cut since June 2024. The central bank has now shifted focus back to core inflation trends, which remain elevated. The fiscal deficit has dropped to 1.7% of GDP compared to 2.6% in the previous fiscal year, while the primary surplus has surged to 2.8% from 1.8%. Meanwhile, foreign direct investment, FDI, has jumped by 41%, reaching $1.62 billion. Iranian Rial hits record low amid economic uncertainty. Iran's currency has plummeted to an all-time low of 1,039,000 rials per US dollar, according to bombast.com, which tracks real-time exchange rates from Iranian exchanges. This sharp devaluation comes as Iran faces an annual inflation rate of approximately 40%, prompting citizens to shift their savings into hard currencies and gold. Since the reimposition of US sanctions in 2018, Iran's currency has experienced continued depreciation, falling from 55,000 rials per USD to over 1 million rials today. The latest decline follows 4 rounds of US-imposed sanctions on Iran's oil sector, adding pressure to the country's economy. Pakistan secures new $1.3 billion IMF loan for climate resilience. Pakistan has finalized a new $1.3 billion deal with the International Monetary Fund, IMF, under a 28-month climate resilience loan program. The agreement, pending IMF board approval, will unlock $1.3 billion in climate resilience funding while also freeing up $1 billion under the existing $7 billion bailout program. This will bring total IMF disbursements for Pakistan to $2 billion. The Resilience and Sustainability Facility, RSF, loan is designed for countries implementing high-quality reforms to counter climate challenges. Reko Diq copper-gold project investment doubles to $1.9 billion. A formal feasibility study has confirmed over $60 billion worth of copper and gold reserves at the Reko Diq project in Balochistan, leading to a doubling of investment commitments from 3 state-owned energy firms. Pakistan's stock market surges over 1,300 points amid IMF deal and Reko Diq optimism. Disclaimer: this report is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Readers are encouraged to conduct independent research and consult financial experts before making any investment or business decisions. If you found this update valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to V4 World. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest business and economic insights. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about these financial developments? Let's discuss.